Yeah,
From Queens.
here's the wrong. Get it.
Hola.
When the man
Coming. That's what you are. Look coming.
Yes, switch again.
Alright, give me this. I tell you, thing set you know.
Switch round.
I mean, I tell you, thing set, man.
Next side.
Yeah, go over there, yeah.
Good man, great. When you do my work, you never tired yet. Yo, when you do my work, you never tired.
Well, every day I pick up.
When did you get them, Mika?
Yeah.
Somebody take it.
When you be careful, you don't have enough. So if you're tired of the car,
Yeah.
you don't follow me. Pass it, you tell me what to do, and me I do it. And me I lead this squad, brother. And you say you know what me I go do. I give you everything what you want, Dada. I didn't bring Dada back now.
Yes, man.
Tempo. All right, you did?
Come in, Dada.
Step.
Maxi. Max. Smiles daar, ja. Balling over, ja?
Hey. Online.
Yes, fast.
Then come on. Let us use that and come up to the
Oh.
Sure.
Around here, so. I don't foot that. Yeah, part down there.
So what's it? No, you need to go in up so.
Then you go spin.
Can't turn around, man.
Dada.
I said no picture taking.
Can't say whatever they want, sir.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, wagwan! This is your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. You know what to do, right? Please like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been a long time. What, over 10 months? I haven't vlogged nothing. Because you know what? I'm not even gonna lie. Life is being lifing. And it's so hard to pick up the camera. But I was thinking about it all week this week to just pick up the camera, and here I am. Today's Saturday. Well, little background. From like 10 months ago. One, I lost my dad, which was a little bit heartbreaking. So you know what? Camera wasn't on my forte. And then I had a big birthday. That was one. And you know, work, oh my god, work has been killing my backside because work is so hard. When I reach home at night or in the evening, I'm too tired, and then there was nothing to vlog because what? You can't vlog at work, and there's nothing happening in the week than go work and come back home. So here I am. Today is Saturday, and we're in the month of May. Precisely today is what is today? Hold on. Today's the 16th of May, and look, it's 6:41 and I'm sitting in the parking lot of the supermarket because I need to wrap up this thing early. I need to do my shopping, then I need to drive far to go to Costco to get some water, and then I'm gonna get some water, and then I've got to go home and do, you do your house thing like wash, cook, clean, and all those stuff. But guess what? Over the past months, my loyal subscribers, they stayed with me, and I want to thank you. Some of them gone, but guess what? You wasn't supposed to be there, were you? Because if you were supposed to be there, you would have been there, innit? But the loyal one, they stick around, and I like to thank you and still stay there. And you know what? Just keep coming, man. And the new ones that watching, you know what? If you're watching, just click the button. Yeah, 'cause guess what? Hey. What? But anyway, let me wait, because the supermarket I open 7 o'clock. So I have to sit here and wait until it's open, because I've got to do all these chores early. So you know what? stick with me. You might see me because I need to go to a shop, but the shop opens 9 o'clock. So let's see how long I stay here. If not, that I have to stay till another day. I need a wire for my camera because that one is broken. And I need to do some more stuff. I might take you along and I might not, because you know it's hard to, when you start vlogging in public, people start looking. But let's see how brave I am. So stick around and I'll see you later, because they said later will be greater. You see it. Well, I have finished shopping now. That's the supermarket done. Well, go on with the camera. What did I do? What did I do? So the time is, let's check the time. 7:49. And boy, the shopping is ridiculous. Price down, buy everything. We soon can't eat, but guess what? Let's go to another journey. Yeah, let's take on another journey. I don't know if the other shops are open. It's a bit early now. Oh my god! May I tell you, it is I
DJ said that, you know, say I hear the dance. That's what she sleep, that's what she slide, yo. I make her push it inside, yo. Then what I girl can ride, yo.
Yeah, let's take on another journey. I don't know if the other shops are open. It's a bit early now. Oh my god! May I tell you, it is I
DJ said that, you know, say I hear the dance. That's what she sleep, that's what she slide, yo. I make her push it inside, yo. Then what a girl can ride, yo.
As you can see, I'm not in the shop. And I've changed. I've reached home. The shop was so busy, I couldn't even vlog. Plus, busy so early in the morning. It's amazing. But I got everything that I wanted. And when I tried to do something, someone was in the car. I was gonna vlog a little bit, but somebody was waiting on my parking spot. The way all the place was so full in the morning, it was unbelievable. But you know what? Casper is too busy. I hate going there on a Saturday, but that's so life going in. But you know, when I'm doing something, I'll pick you up, so I'll see you. Boy, I'm getting Roberta. What is it? 18p ice cream for when? Today?
The 18th.
Your phone a crack up. What you say?
They said it's their birthday today.
Oh, what? Krispy Kremes? When? Catch your head somewhere else. Come in our area.
Can you hear me now?
What you say?
Yeah, they said it's their birthday today. So they say they're doing the scoop them for 18p. They normally just say £3
Hey.
for one scoop. So they say 5 scoop for 90p. I was like, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Which part the nearest Krispy Kreme there?
The what?
Can